Hey Kipsters, I hope you have a great Thanksgiving. I wanted to tell you what your life work is for the week. It's better to get it done early so you don't have to rush the Sunday before. So let me go ahead and get started. So there's 3 steps to your project. There's the planning stage, there's the creating stage, and there's the debriefing stage. There are 4 different projects to choose from. I'm going to explain the 4 different projects in the next 3 to 4 minutes. The first project is called Couponer's Delight. What I want you to do is I want you to find a coupon in a newspaper or sales ad, cut it out, and paste it to a blank piece of paper. I want you to write a question, like if it were a test, that contains the coupon that you just cut out, a story about it, the sales tax of 8.25%, a $50 bill, and the word subtotal. I want you to draw at least one picture, and I want you to add color. The second project is called Rapper or Poet, Don't You Know It? I want you to write on a piece of blank paper 24 lines of poem or rap, and it has to rhyme. And it has to contain the following words: linear, proportional, non-proportional, x-axis, y-axis, slope, origin, y-intercept, variable, direct variation, and Olaf from Frozen. The third project is called Presentation Pythagorean Theorem. The project is to make a PowerPoint or presentation of at least 10 slides that contain a way to teach someone how to find Pythagorean theorem in 7 slides or more. You can use PowerPoint or any other type of presentation software. I know that Mr. V has used a presentation software before. I want you to give an example that you have solved. So for instance, do an example problem like I would do on this video. I want you to make one test question for someone else, and then on the next slide, provide an answer. So you'll notice that 7 slides teach someone how to do it. 1 slide teaches a problem, like how to do an example. And then you have 1 slide that gives a test question, and the next slide that gives the answer. You also need to include 2 pictures, and they both need to have captions for the pictures. The 4th project is to make a 3D model of a real numbers diagram. Now, that might look different for all of us. I just don't want it to be flat. You might want to look at some examples on Google and create your own. But there needs to be a 3D model showing real numbers. There needs to be labels for real numbers, irrational numbers, rational numbers, integers, whole numbers, and natural. And there needs to be example numbers in each little part. So there needs to be 3 examples of irrational numbers, 3 examples of rational numbers, 3 examples of integers, 1 example of whole numbers, and 3 examples of natural numbers. I wonder why 1 example of whole numbers. What I want you to do now is I want you to select the project that you want to do. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I want you to stop now. I want you to go do your project. Maybe it takes you 2 days, maybe it takes you 3 days, maybe it takes you 4 days. I want you to then, once you're finished with your project, to return back to this video and finish it. All right? Good luck on your project. 1, 2, 3. Welcome back from your project. We're going to continue with the debrief. I want to know, how long did it take you? Question number 2, what was your favorite part about the project? Question number 3, what was your least favorite part about your project? All right, don't forget, bring all the materials tomorrow for your project. Your teachers will be checking them based upon all the things that I've said. I'll see you tomorrow. 3 more weeks until Christmas. Bye, guys.